Give me 5 minutes. I will dare you to pass in every engineering semester and also other exams. Having 8 points for you, where 4th is the golden point, 6 is the diamond point, 7 is the bonus point and 8 is the platinum point. Before building a wall, basement must be strong, that is our internal exam marks. Try to maintain above 40% in your exams, if we score high in semester exam and low in internals. So internals must be above 40, for 100. The second point is, if you didn't study daily, use your semester exam study holidays. Use your every last minute to score marks, which brings me to the next point. The third point is, don't do hard work, do smart work.
நிறைய உழைக்கணும் ஜெயிக்கணும் சார்.
முதல்ல இந்த வெறித்தனமா உழைக்கணும், ஹார்ட் வர்க் பண்ணணும், அப்படி எல்லாம் பேசுறது நிறுத்து.
அப்புறம் எப்படி சார் முன்னேறது?
ஸ்மார்ட் வர்க் பண்ணு.
Don't try to cover each and every topic in the syllabus, which brings me to the golden point. Now, the fourth golden point is, try to solve many previous year question papers and the repeated questions. If you are searching for previous year question paper, with most importantly, answers, check out my channel. I am uploading the previous year question paper with answers. Now, the fifth funny part is, go and ask the important questions to the experienced staffs in your college.
இது நம்ம கன்சல்ல கொடுக்கிற யூனிஃபார்ம் பொறுப்போடரு. நல்லா இரு. என்னது?
தூமுன்னுங்க சார்.
நல்ல சவுண்ட் வாச்சே. என்னது?
ரெண்டாவது தூமுன்னுங்க சார்.
நல்ல சவுண்ட் வாச்சே.
Experienced staffs knows the tactics to answer questions, important points, and hide the errors. Now the sixth point is, most important logical point is, divide the syllabus. Dividing is the most important rule to get pass. There's two ways to divide the syllabus. The first way is, if we have 5 units in our syllabus, study completely first 3 or last 3 units, but complete the whole units. The second way, which I suggest to do, is divide each and every unit by half and study the first half in all units or the second half in all the units. This really works. Comes the seventh bonus point, don't waste your time by searching in social media. Make your first step, don't watch, do it, be true and disciplined to your heart. Searching and watching doesn't do anything, it starts from you. Now, the platinum point is, even if you didn't know anything, don't worry, paper presentation is the platinum point. Use my steps to follow. First step, try to write 30 plus pages. Second step, write related to the topic of your question. Don't go outside of the topic. Third step, don't cut too many words that will destroy the paper presentation. Fourth step, try to maintain a normal handwriting. Fifth step, write the heading and then write the answer. Sixth step, check the question numbers correctly. Seventh step, put the lines after each and every question. Eighth step, fill the front page properly. If you want a complete paper presentation video, comment PPV. If we get 500 plus comments, I will make a separate video for that. Coming to the end of the video, if this video gets 1k likes and 1000 plus comments, I will make a brief explanation video in Tamil. Subscribe only if you truly like this video. See you in the next videos.